Welcome to the Walside Classical Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer this 1938 MGTA, finished in gleaming black with burgundy red leather upholstery. The vehicle we have sold previously, it's just been taken back in part exchange and we're delighted to offer it again. The car has had a restoration some 10 years ago by renowned restorers of this type of car. Expensive restoration, it's full nut and bolt job, all interior, engine rebuild, bodywork, everything. As the wet weather gear and the hood were also renewed, and the condition is superb still today. Full details of the restoration can be found on the website. We will sort of point some nice bits on the car as we're walking around it here today. This vehicle is a right-hand drive own market vehicle, and it is of the highest quality. There are some minor improvements, such as LED trafficators in these side marker lights for safer road use. Chrome work is close to 100%. And also paintwork detail body lights are as good as you will find. Certainly better when new. Got the addition of rear indicators there. A little bit of detail, the end chassis there is the same all the way up to the front of the car. Wire wheels are all in fabulous condition, having been restored at the same time as the car. The car is very usable, obviously in good weather preferably. There are some photos of the underside on our website. We will just show you underneath the wings, just underneath this front brake, you can see the condition. Full wet weather gear, we've got hood and side screens, which there'll be photos on the website of. And as we go inside the vehicle, again looking down these steps and door shuts, the quality is quite evident. The seats have been reupholstered in this lovely burgundy red. It's in fabulous condition. And detailing on the door cards and everything in the kick panels is superb. Black carpets, obviously renewed. Also, as we go to the dashboard, see the condition of all the instruments have all been refurnished and absolutely gleam in the superb wooden dashboard. So there we have it. We'll take a video in a few moments of the engine running for you. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 and get more information on the website roadsters.co.uk. Okay, we'll give you a little look at the TA with the full weather protection on. We've got the hood up and the side screens on. Sun's just come out, so it's an ideal time to have another look at the car. The hood was renewed and the side screens reconditioned at the same time as the upholstery by the same restorer. Expensive job, very good quality. All the frame has been powder coated and everything, as you will see when we go inside the car. It fits as good as you'd ever expect. Nicely tailored. Quite a nice aggressive look with the top on. Now inside the car, you'll see it's tight fabric, and also you'll see the quality of the workmanship, and the finish is what you'd expect to be, similar to the rest of the car. All that nicely powder coated frame and everything, no loose rivets. So there we are, one beautiful little TA. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website roadsters.co.uk. Okay, just a little very short video of the vehicle running, ticking over lovely. All the carbs have been rebuilt